Hello guys, how are you? How are you today?
Hello, teacher.
Hi, teacher.
How
Fine,
are you?
thank you.
Okay,
Hey,
so remember that today we are going to work with numbers from 1 to 30. So I want you to pay attention to the explanation because today we are going to work with a lot of games and some activities in order you to mechanize and learn the numbers, to pronounce and to write the number from 1 to 30. So first of all, I would like you to tell me in which situations we use the numbers. Think about that. When do you use the numbers?
when we buy things,
Yeah, when we buy things. What else?
For dates,
Dates. Yeah,
um,
dates. Days also.
yeah,
when we call somebody,
Sorry?
when we call somebody,
Yeah, the numbers when we call somebody. Another one?
um,
All right, I can help you. For example, the age. When we want to say our age. When someone asks us about the time. Yeah. So as you can see, the numbers are pretty important in our quotidian life. We need to use them all the time. So that is why it's important you to learn numbers. So let's start with the first activity. I'm going to share my screen and I want you to tell me if you can see what I'm, sharing. Can you see it?
not yet, teacher.
yes,
All right, let me know when you see the screen.
Now I can see it.
Oh my goodness. Not yet.
Yeah, teacher, I can see it.
All right,
teacher.
so now I'm going to pronounce the number from 1 to 30. I want you to pay attention to the pronunciation because then you are going to try, all right, just pay attention and then we are going to practice. Don't worry if you make mistakes. It is only just practicing and practicing. And of course, it's the first time you are going to listen to them, so don't worry about that. So pay attention. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. Remember that the stress is always at the end. 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, and 30. Those are the numbers from 1 to 30. Yeah? So what we are going to do now is, based on what you have listened and what you can remember, you are going to help me to pronounce numbers again from 1 to 30. Well, we are not going to pronounce all of them, but some of them in order us to start practicing. Yeah? So who wants to start helping me? First, someone is going to start and then the other person is going to help me with the next number. All right? So someone want to start?
Me, teacher.
All right, Natalia, tell me, can you pronounce this number, taking into account what you listened?
One.
All right, 1, perfect. Let's choose another number. Valeria, help me. This one.
Mm, eh, fifth,
Fifth, no. 5, but it is similar. So repeat after me. 5.
five,
Perfect. All right, Natalia, let's see another one. This one. Help me, Natalia.
11.
11. Perfect. Remember to pronounce in a proper way the V. It's not the same to say 11 that to say 11, but it's okay. Valeria, help me with this one.
12.
12. Perfect. Here the VE sounds like an F. 12. All right. Repeat again.
12.
12.
12.
All right. Now let's practice this one. Natalia, help me with this one.
17.
Perfect. 17. Good job. Remember that the stress is at the end. Valeria, help me with this one.
18.
18. All right, so as you can see, we've been practicing some numbers. I like your pronunciation. Good job, guys. So we are going now to start with a similar activity, but in this case, I'm not going to choose the numbers. They are going to appear randomly. So here you have a video. Let me know if you can see the video. I hope yes.
Yes,
Yeah.
teacher.
All right, so the video is going to be reproduced, and I want you to pronounce the number that appears on the screen. All right. So as Natalia's started first, I want Valeria to start first now. All right.
Okay.
This one.
1.
One.
One.
Perfect. Yeah.
21.
All right. 21. Now I want Natalia to pronounce.
12.
All right. 12.
30.
30. All right. It's okay. Valeria.
4.
4. Nice.
10.
10. All right, let's do another two. Natalia, help me.
Okay. 22.
Perfect. 22. And last one.
29.
29. Okay. So, as I can see, you've understand in a proper way the pronunciation. We are going to keep practicing, but now we are going to focus on the written part. How we write the numbers. Remember that in the slides we could see the proper way to write those words. So we are going to start with this activity. You are going to help me. All right, so here, as you can see, there are some numbers and the way how they are written. So what you are going to help me is to link the numbers with the proper written. All right, so let's start with this one. Tell me, how can we pronounce this one?
20.
20, all right, so it is this one. Perfect. Now,
6.
6, so yeah, it's okay, thank you. Now this one.
15.
15, all right. Now I'm going to choose one and you tell me if it's right or not. This one?
No.
No? Which one? Tell me how to pronounce it.
9.
9, all right. Now this one.
30.
30. Okay. Next one.
12.
12. Nice. Two more.
18.
18. Right. And, well, the last one. Help me with the
11.
pronunciation. 11. Perfect. Nice job, guys. Now, here in the next activity, we are not going to use any support because I want you to interact each other. All right, so here I'm just going to pay attention, you to talk with your friends. All right? So,
Alright.
remember that when we started the class, I told you to, to mention some, well, moments in which we have to use the numbers. Yeah, and generally we use it answering something, right? So I want you to ask each other, Natalia, ask Valeria, something related to an answer with numbers, all right? And Valeria, of course, have to answer. Remember that if you need vocabulary, you can ask. Do not hesitate. So let's start. Remember what in the first activity what we talked about, and ask Valeria something related to that. Remember that if you need vocabulary, you can ask.
Okay, teacher. Do I start now?
Yeah.
Valeria, how old are you?
Uh, I have 20 years old.
All right, Valeria, but remember that we do not say I have, we say I am.
I am.
I am
Uh,
how many years?
20 years old.
All right, so you're 20 years old. Perfect. Now, Valeria, I want you to ask Natalia something related to numbers.
Uh, how can I say número de teléfono?
Phone number.
Natalia, what is your phone number?
It's 30, 19, 7, 7, 9, 22, 12.
All right, perfect. For the next time, Natalia, remember that the phone, we generally say it one by one. Yeah,
Oh,
so
okay, teacher.
it's for you to take into account, but it's perfect. I like your pronunciation. Now, we are going to do the last activity. Now we've been practicing along the class. So now what we are going to do is a search word. Yeah, but in this case, I'm not going to tell you anything. It is for you to do it. Wait, you have 2 minutes. Don't worry. There are 12 numbers. You have to look for it then there. And in 2 minutes, you are going to send me that. All right? So I'm going to copy and paste the link in the chat and see you in 2 minutes. All right?
All right, teacher.
All
There
right.
you are. The link is already in the chat. If you have any problem, let me know, and we will check that. Remember, it is not necessary you to find them all because 2 minutes is few time, but just look for them and let's see how many words you find in 2 minutes. Remember, it is related to the vocabulary we saw today. And at the end of the class, just send me a screenshot. All right, you have 1 minute left.
Ay. Mm,
Remember that if you have some doubts, you can ask. Don't worry.
Thank you, teacher.
All right, guys. So the class is already finished. We have no more time. And remember to send me
Okay.
the answers. And thank you
Okay,
so much
teacher.
for your attention. And I hope to work with you in another time. See you.
Thank you,
Okay,
teacher.
teacher.
Okay.
Bye.